All right, my people, I did tonight again. You are welcome back to a lot of bogus crazy update. Una announce the matter they be. I beg make una like this video, share, comment. At the same time, I beg my people make una subscribe to this YouTube channel as Baba K TV. Press that bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you will be the first person to see at one time. All right, now without wasting no time, make we enter the story. We carry us come here. First of all, my people, make una check out this post from this lady. This lady tried to come out to encourage those lazy people where they say that they always want to depend everything on their relative or their friends where they say they already make am. They always believe in and they be the fault, their problem where they say the reason why they never still succeed for their own personal issue. Share the female so make una listen to what this lady tried to talk for you. She said nothing in life come easy. You reap what you sow. If you sow laziness, that is what you will reap. Nobody owes you anything apart from you. If you want the life, get up and go get it yourself. Whether it's robbing the bank or finding a sugar daddy or mommy, you must work for it. So that's so the life just be, my people. Nothing really come easy. If you really say this what you want to be, now this thing that you want to be, may you get up, may you go find that same life by yourself. No be person wey be say dey out there go carry this thing come give you for where you for the sleep. So may you comot that laziness and fear for your mind. May you go for this thing wey be say you want. So make we enter another story wey carry us come here. Una know say time no dey. All right, my people, our brother wey dey call Zubi Michael, I believe say everybody una know am, wey be actor for Lollywood movie, Nigeria Lollywood movie. This guy don come outside try to advise some lady and some guys wey be say that they always like to go for rich sugar mommy or sugar daddy wey be say you no know the means wey those people take dey get money, and they try to call all those people as gold digger wey be say all those people na where e don already done like that they like to go with. I know say a lot of everybody they try their best to make sure say they succeed through another person. Meanwhile, this same Zubi Michael, my own belief, my own thought before I see this video where he post of recent, I be reading the reason say this guy they do one kind of fraud stuff and all those stuff. They do all those internet stuff and everything. You understand how the matter they go. So until when I see this video, the thing on the really they change my thinking for head. But meanwhile, in the comment section, a lot of people still they blast and they tell and say he go selling, go do one or two things to make sure say the money self is still they show up the way into the show itself. Make una listen to the video, make una see the way the matter take be, make una drop una comment for the comment section and tell me what you really reason concerning the matter. We are verificate.
It's better you get a comfortable guy who get in house, getting 2 cars, all those 5-10 million, not anything, they travel, than to go date a multi-billionaire that has a spiritual dent. What do I mean by spiritual dent? That is doing something illegal for money. You do somebody, collect the money, the person hang himself, die. You now come to the big house, the one marry, get family. You don't know. It's wired spiritual. Those things will come back. If you the bond, they're going to die. And you will get where you normal guy where they're comfortable, say one day where money there, or she go digger. When you want to enjoy that money, the man if you die. It's not like that. Fucking I know that they deep, I beg. How about don't go Safia? Calm down, life na judge. That's why my confidence is unmugging, because it's a hard and genuine. See the workout, but see what did I go through, self, but did they pepper me? Stay genuine, man. About spiritual dent.
All right, so now don't see the way the story take goes. So make una drop una comment and below me. Tell me what you really reason concerning this will be Michael talk. We talk. May we move better another matter. We carry us coming. No say time no day. All right, oh yeah, make una check out this other video where this guy say today I escape assassination attempted by some men dressed on black driving a black Hilux vehicle with the inscription police, Nigeria police, fully armed with AK-47 rifle. This happened today at 1:40 p.m. before the Asaba International Airport. Immediately, I noticed I was betrayed. I held my phone with my left hand and I drove with my right hand. I don't know who they are or who sent them. The Delta State Police should immediately fish them. This is the second assassination attempt. My time has not come. So this guy now, as now they see this video where they say at the show now, so this guy now policeman now point gun to this guy. So where they say they aim at this guy, made they just take delay the guy come out for life. But luckily this guy succeed to escape this assassination. Make una see the way una dey see am so, and this guy dey really dey give testimony concerning this the way e just happen to am so, say e fit survive am, say dem no fit kpai am the way dem take plan. And those people, the way dem take show themselves, e only show say dem be Nigeria police with the same ilos wey dem dey drive so, and the uniform wey be say dem put on. I no know wetin really happen why be say dem wan kill dis guy, because the guy sef dey narrate say na the second time wey be say dem don threa ten im life na be dis. May you tell me wetin really reason concerning dis video. May you drop your comment and your opinion below and tell me wetin you really reason concerning the matter. I say time subscribe to dis channel as Babake TV, because dis matter of police I don already talk am now. This time around, people call they even they fear police more than armed robber wey dey outside there. But meanwhile, make everybody really dey careful concerning some kind policemen wey be say we dey encounter for road wey we dey pass each and every day, so that may we dey use our head, they know the way we go dey address those people. Without wasting no time, now may we enter another story wey carry us come. Oya na my people, make una check this our brother, one of our youth, our best commenter wey be say this guy dey really dey trek this time wey dey dress in a woman form wey they call Mama Amazing Grace. I believe say everybody don already see this guy, the way they do better nice work. This guy don buy himself a new house. The other time this guy first buy Benz for himself. That is to say this guy, this the way they really they do money, they really they come outside. And many people don dey use this guy for a lot of advert wey be say me I dey see, where I even still believe say most of una don see. Like I dey say week after buy a Benz, comedian Zig Saloma become a landlord. So this guy don buy himself a house, as una dey see for the post. So a very big congratulations to am, and I'm really dey happy say most of our brothers and sisters wey dey the industry for this comedy and music issue, they really dey progress for the thing, apart from the fake government and the bad head leader wey be say na agbada dey take dey convert their sense, wey be say they don't know wetin dem dey do for the country. So make una drop una comment, and a very big congratulations to this guy wey be say he just buy himself this house. So this one na big welcome development, and I dey very happy for am. So make we move enter another matter wey carry us come. Una know say time no dey. So my people, make una check out this lady wey just come out. They talk about all those side chicks and married women issue. The way side chicks come to dey get money pass those married women. The way side chicks come dey progress more than married women wey be say they dey their husband house. Make I play the video for una, make una see the way the matter dey play before we talk some kind issue concerning the matter. Oya, verificate.
Question is to married women living in Nigeria. I mean, women who are married to very wealthy men living in Nigeria. I just realized that the side chicks are getting richer by the day. The side chicks are buying cars, they're driving G-Wagons, they're driving Range Rovers, they have businesses, they're flying first class, business class, they are moving to highbrow areas. And my question is, your husband is making some girl very wealthy, some side chick very wealthy. I hope you as a married woman is making money from your husband. I hope you're saving. I hope you're buying properties. I hope and I pray that you have some money in the account, in your bank account, just in case anything happens. Because I just feel like the side chicks are getting richer than the wives, and that should not be happening.
All right, so now don't see the way the matter take place. So the way this woman take talk about side chicks and married women, and for me, really, I really they see the way those side chicks they fly different private jet, and they buy themselves big house, big cars, especially this our Lollywood actress. Where we say them even start of recent, they buy themselves nice car. When we say the men wey even dey inside, they no dey even dey see anything to show up, show na dey see am so. And this thing they really dey surprise me, the kind of things wey really dey happen for the country. Before you know, get wey just enter one or two things now. Before you know, some kind sugar that their sugar them, all those old men will just dey cherish those girls with money. Wey be say even their wife for house sef, you know they do this thing. Una go even still see, if una lie dey lie, una go even still see one Ghana actor. So when the man they even dey lament the way they take dey suffer for their whole industry for there. And this man, the way me dey regard at that time, if I dey see him movie where they are done, they show say he get money. I don't even know say this man go fit cry out like this, say nothing. And the way the network where they even dey talk say this man, the money where they even dey say this man don't come outside, bust out say he no even get the money, he no even get that shishi. We even near that network where they talk. I know say some of una go don't see the video of this man, but make I play am for una, make una see the way some men they suffer for the industry. Make una drop una comment and your opinion below. May you tell me what you really reason where they go on. Oh yeah, verification.
Some of the producers in Ghana here, they should respect themselves. They old man like me, they call me and come and work, and then they can't pay me. And about 7 producers in this country, they owe me monies, like that. Why? And then I'm sitting at home and I'm hungry. And when I'm sick too, they don't. When I'm sick, nobody. Look, we have elderly people sick lying there, and producers owe them. They don't even give them money. Why? I'm being real here.
How many? You said 7 producers haven't paid you.
You want me to name them?
Oh yeah.
I came into acting too. Nothing is happening to me. No money. How many years haven't I acted? How many producers haven't I acted? Me, Kofi Adjol, they on the internet say I'm worth $800,000. Me, 800 what?
Are you more than?
More.
Or you are not even?
Sure, I don't see the way the matter take place so now so the industry, the men matter they go. I don't know what men do men we be say we know they like to they help ourselves out. Where women they always they try to they succeed more than men for the industry where we did so and at the same time. Side chicks abeg make una dey feel pity for women wey be say some men marry for house because this same thing e go still reach your turn and they go still do you back. Make we enter another matter wey carry us come here, my people. Una know say time no dey. Alright, before I end this video, make una check out this video wey be say I wan show una. So this thing dey happen for Abia State. This flood wey una dey say so dey happen for Abia State. At the time, I don't know who we need to blame concerning this thing where they happen, whether we need to blame the government or we need to blame people. But for me, not be everything we need to blame Nigeria government, they blame our government put. Sometimes we still need to blame ourselves for some kind of things where we say it they happen for our community, for our area, for the country where we say it will really do so. Share it for me. I can remember that time where we say I did one area where for the school that time. Anytime where they fall like this, before you know, a lot of people for the community so they go come outside, they pour dirty for gutter just because of say they want made the erosion flush and throw away. But with their mentality, they look come go they feel realize say this thing where they pour so not be all of them they feel flush throw away. Some day will be say if they go block this gutter wey be say the government don create for them, we go dey block some kind drillers or kind area for that same place. And that thing now when the other rain fall wey be say the rain no come, the erosion no dey see where e wan come pass comot. Tell me how this kind thing no go take happen. Some kind things dey wey be say government go arrange for us, even we the citizen we go still by ourselves use hand spoil am. Alright, just see the way this matter take play now. Make you tell me who we really need to blame concerning this issue where they happen. Whether we need to blame the government for everything or we still got to sit down. We still need to sit down, still think if we ourselves no still they contribute to the problem where it they happen. Show na the scene. And at the same time, make una check out this post where I want show na so concerning this talk where this lady talk for here. He say when you don't show off what you have, people will be like you are broke. And when you decide to flaunt what you have, again people will be like you are forming too much or money just enter your hand. I beg Nigeria, I be abi UARs make una rest. She really made sense for there. And the way the girl dey talk, so if you dey broke, sorry, a lot of people go talk. Even when you still get the money, people will say you don dey form because say small thing don enter your hand. And at the other dey talk, at the other thing wey you go fit do for this life, you no fit please anybody. Just do anything wey you go fit do take please yourself. Because no matter anything wey you do for this life, a lot of people go still talk about am. So just do anything wey fit make you happy and leave the rest for God. Anything wey you do, people go must still talk. So just do the little way you can and let people say wetin they want to say. Anything wey people talk, just let them talk. Share the film is so. And I believe this is the end of the video, my people. Make you drop your comment and your opinion below. And if you enjoy this video, I beg make you subscribe to this channel. Press the bell notification so that anytime when I drop new video, you will be the first person to see and one time. Alright, until I see you again for my next video. Thank you very much for watching and may God bless you. Ciao.